Welcome back to the channel, officialryanluke.com. My name is Ryan. Don't forget, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to make sure you get notifications of all the awesome videos. And head over to the website at the end of this, officialryanluke.com, and check out all the free resources we've got over there, all the deal calculators, if you want to book a call myself, all that good stuff. So today I want to talk about how you can set up alerts on Rightmove and how you can map out your key areas to make sure that you're not having to spend hours and hours and hours just scrolling through Rightmove, and basically just sit back, relax, and wait for these deals to drop into your inbox. And then a quick couple of minute investigation every time your emails come in allows you to be more time efficient, and it allows you to continue to acquire properties and move forward. So whether you're using buy or rent to rent strategies, it doesn't matter, you can do the same. So for me, I'm just going to put in Newcastle as my area, and we are going to search, let's just say we'll go 100 to 200,000, minimum bedroom 3, maximum 5. So we're getting quite specific with the search. And this is kind of what you want to do, because then, you rather than just having it all search, which is you can have as well, but I prefer to kind of just specify the searches that I want. So in this search, I might actually change that to max beds. In the search, really, this is like a HMO search for us. So, we're looking at sort of 3 beds that we can maybe make into 4 or 5s, or maybe 3 with a loft conversion. So, we've got 523 properties come up, and typically you'd scroll through and you'd have a look and, all's good. But, to save the time on that, what you can do is hit this create alert button, and you can get notified whenever properties are for sale within that within 100 grand, 200 grand, at least 3 beds, basically meet your criteria. You can get them instantly, you can get them daily, every 3 days or 7 days. I just hit them on instantly, and then you create your alert, okay? Now, that'll then create your alert, and when you wake up every day or go about your daily business, you have, deals in your inbox every single day from Rightmove. Look at this here, you've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 16, 18, 22, 32, 35, 41, 48, 49 deals on Friday. 49 deals, potential deals anyway. They all meet my criteria, they all meet my alerts, they come into my inbox, I quickly analyze them. As you said there, the most on there was 10, so it's just a quick flick through 10, having a look at what you're doing, and it really speeds up what you're doing. It means you can go out and about, you're not tied to a computer, you can keep acquiring whilst you're on the move. Obviously, you can just leave the messages unread in your inbox and come back to it when a time that suits. So it's a great way for making sure that you don't miss anything. And you can create loads of these different alerts up, and you can name the alerts as well. So you could have HMO alerts, you could have, whatever it needs to be. The next thing is you can edit your search area. And this is a really clever tool, because for me, I don't really want to buy houses in certain areas. So, my core business for me, especially if we're going HMOs on this strategy, you're probably wanting to push here to an extent. And Gateshead's actually a good area for this. So we might pull a bit down here, go a bit deeper to here. And then pulling this back around. So you can see here, just by moving this in, we're starting to build our, what I'm looking at here is my HMO area. So, some of these places, whilst they've got 3 to 5 bedrooms or 3 to maximum bedrooms, and they're within that 100 to 200 grand price range, it's all well and good, but they're not going to be a HMO specific sort of area. So I would, pull all these around, and I'd pull them all in nice and neat, and would get them all into here, and then I would save this as my search. So you'd hit the save button up here. Obviously you need to be logged into your account. So we're logged in, we've saved the area, and as you can see here, we've got Newcastle HMO area, And then whenever you want to search next time, so if you go property for sale, you could go Newcastle. So you then come back into your search area, and what you've got here is your searches. So you can click on your search area, and as you can see here, it changes depending on what you're searching for. And then you click view properties, and that's going to show you the properties in your area. What you can then do is, change your parameters. So we go back to our 100,000, 200,000, 250, and it will readjust. It readjusts, and there are all the properties within your search area that you can then go and investigate. And as it says here, there's too many properties, you've got to zoom in a bit. So and then you can go and investigate these properties one by one and just see if they're any good for yourself. So that's 2 ways that you can use Rightmove to be more time efficient, to make sure that you're only looking at the stuff that you want to look at, to make sure that you're getting you're constantly acquiring as you're going about your day, because you're getting leads dropped into your inbox, and then it's up to you to investigate those leads, see if they're worth taking onto a viewing, and then schedule them in your calendars and your CRM systems, or however you use that, and moving your business forward every single day without having to be stuck behind a computer. So I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments, and as always, head over to officialryanluke.com to check out some more of the awesome stuff, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video, guys.